Hi, my name is Desiree with WTI, and I have found you the perfect accessory for this winter. It is this beautiful faux furry tote bag, and it is in this beautiful pink color that is going to add that perfect pop of color with all the neutrals this fall. I love the size of this bag. It is not too big, not too small, and I like what I can fit in here. I am able to put in my iPad, my wallet, and I also have a small child, so if I need to tote around snacks, drinks, a change of clothes, it will all fit in this bag for me. So you have plenty of space in here. The design as well is perfect because it has this beautiful zipper on the top that is going to hold everything in, so I don't have to worry about things falling out. I also love that it has a strap, so you can wear it crossbody on your shoulder, or it has the beautiful straps that you can just tote around everywhere you go. There are so many different options on how to use this bag and what fits in it as well. So if you have been searching for that perfect accessory, look no further than the tote bag. But that's just my point of view.